Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you some playing I've been doing. I have been, like, if you're a follower of mine, you know I'm trying to work through my stash and use the stuff I have. I have some bins of dies that I've never ever touched, and so I've been trying to play with those dies and either make cards or some crafts with them. And so this is one of the dies. I actually touched two of the dies in that box, so I'm going to share them with you here. One of the dies are from Lawn Fawn, and they are the lawn cuts. They're this cute little trio of cactus pots that you can make. Here's some of the extra pieces I just cut and put in the packaging. But that is the die. It comes with lots of pieces for layering. So fun. And so I did make an ATC card as well as a greeting card. Here's the greeting card I used. And I just made a bunch of them there. I added these little faces on them. And so I love how they came out. You are able to use just one on an A2 size card. You could fit two of them on an A2 size card. This is a slimline die that I also use, these layering pieces. And so let me show you that die. That die I got at the Scrapbook and Stamp Expo. I believe it is from Tall Mouse Creative Arts. That's where I got the die from. And it comes with these 4 layering pieces, or this is one solid piece, so it comes with 3 different layering pieces. A scalloped, and then this stitched edge, as well as this stitched edge. This looks like a big ticket. But those are the 3 different layers. The bigger one, the scalloped one, and the one I just said looks like a ticket. So that's how that comes out. So I just like to remind you, if you're new here, welcome. Please consider liking and subscribing and joining me on this crafty journey. And then the ATC card I made is for a giveaway. So let me share about that person's giveaway. She is Sharon, and she's from Connections of Lives and Interests 2020. She's here on YouTube. She is celebrating her 60th birthday, so happy birthday, Sharon. I am including just a birthday card. That's what she requires, as well as an ATC card. If you don't do ATC cards, you are able to send in some embellishments, but you can look at her link to find out the details. Her giveaway is ending soon, so you might not have time, but you can still go over there and show her some love on her channel by wishing her a happy birthday. But the ATC card I ended up making was this one here, and I just thought it was lots of fun, lots of colors. I used a lot of the layering pieces from the die set. All of this is from that Lawn Fawn die set. So yeah, she just wanted us to include some pertinent information, which I did. So I'm sending this off in the mail. It should arrive there in time. But I will, like I said, leave her link to her YouTube channel in my description box below. So you can go check it out and see if you do have time to participate, or at the very least, go share some birthday love with her on her channel. So that's what I have for you today. I hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.